Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be part of the Change It Up Thrift Decor Challenge hosted by Nicole Northgarden. I will have her channel linked down below in the description box, as well as an entire playlist full of other videos you can watch after this.
Wanna be free of this heart.
So this is the area that I'm going to be decorating in this video. I have this corner of my fireplace that I've mentioned before is a bit of an eyesore because of these cords that run to the TV, so I like to do my best to hide it. And the point of this challenge that I'm doing today is to take a thrifted item. So I'm going to be using this crate that I purchased pretty recently. It was $4. But back to the point, it is to take a thrifted item and use it in a vignette or a certain part of your house to refresh your space for, in this case, winter. So yeah, hence the Change It Up Thrift Decor Challenge. So I'm going to be using this crate like I said, and I like that it will bring height to this area while also hiding those cords that you see right there.
I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
Now I'm just going to add in this, I guess it's a Christmas tree. I thrifted this a few months back, but I used it in my Christmas decor, and I'm trying to repurpose all of the Christmas trees that I purchased during the season and bring that into my winter decor. So I'm just going to add this next to the crate for some texture and color. And let me know down below. I've mentioned this before, but I am terrible at fluffing trees. I feel like I tried hard to make this tree look not a mess, and I just am terrible at it. I don't know if that's normal or if everybody has trouble fluffing a tree. Let me know down below.
Afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah.
Now I'm going to add in a pair of these vintage ice skates that I got from my antique mall recently. I think they were around like $23, but I loved them. I had to have them. So I'm going to try to hang them from the top of this crate by taking the shoelaces and looping them through the opening of the handle and then tying them into a bow.
Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.
Now I thought the bottom down here needed something, so I'm going to add in these antique spindles. I don't know if they're antique. I got them from the antique store. They were $2 a piece, but look at the distressing. I love them so much. I actually use them a lot in every season that I decorate for, so I need to get some more. But I'm just going to add these down here, and then it even helped hold the ice skate in place in the corner.
Another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So So now I'm going to move up to the top of the crate. I thought it needed some more warmth and height, so I'm going to start by adding in this little lace doily I purchased at an estate sale for I think $1. And I love lace doilies. If you watch my channel, you know I love putting them everywhere around my house. So I'm just going to add that here for some more texture. And then I found this really great lantern at a garage sale for $2, and I love it. It's rusty, it's great. So I'm just going to add that on top.
With me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
And the final touch is going to be adding these little birch logs that I got from Hobby Lobby during their Christmas sale. So I'm just going to add these on top of the crate. I thought it brought in a nice like cozy vibe near the fireplace.
We were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next. When we wake.
Alright, so here's how everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you to Nicole for hosting this challenge. Be sure to leave a comment down below, let me know that you stopped by, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times.
Bye.